Respected principal sir, teachers, elders and my dear friends, good morning to all. This is Niharika studying 6th standard from Hindupur Narayana School. Today is a very special day to all of us. The light of the world, the beacon in the dark and the hope that gives us strength to survive is our teacher. Happy Teachers Day to all. Teachers are the backbone of our society. A very prominent part of the Teachers Day celebration is the speech. On this beautiful occasion, I convey my wishes to all our teachers who have given impeccable contribution in shaping us. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and dynamic support. We are always grateful to you. Teachers are our second parents. Teachers play a prominent role in influencing and inspiring us. Every student tries to imitate their teachers and consider them as a role model. After parents, teachers take the responsibility of molding a child's character at each and every step. Today we are celebrating Teachers Day. Teachers Day is celebrated in all schools, colleges, universities and all educational institutions. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September every year since 1963 to honor our former president and Bharat Ratna Award recipient Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, as it is his birth anniversary. He played many roles in his life. He was a great scholar, philosopher, author and statesman who was highly devoted towards education. He was the first Vice President of India from 1952 to 1962 and second President of India from 1962 to 1967. He was born in the middle class family in Tirutani in Tamil Nadu in 1888 in a town in Madras Presidency, British India. He received his surname from his forefathers who were from Sarvepalli village in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. His father's name was Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and his mother name Seethamma. His father was subordinate revenue official in the service of local zamindar. He was married to Sivakamu Amma at the age of 16 in 1904. The couple was blessed with 6 children, 5 daughters and a son. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was an outstanding student. He completed his early education in various missionary schools. He completed his bachelor's and master degrees at Madras Christian College. He completed most of his education with scholarships. After completing his education, he worked as a professor at Madras Presidency College, University of Mysore, University of Calcutta and also in University of Oxford. Nearly 40 years he worked in teaching field. After Dr. Radhakrishnan became second President of India, some of his former students came to him and sought him permission to celebrate his birthday on September 5th. Dr. Radhakrishnan politely declined their request and suggested them that instead of celebrating his birthday, it would be his proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers Day. Since then, Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrated as Teachers Day. He died on 17th April 1975 in Madras at the age of 86. A teacher is a friend and guide of our life who also imparts good values in us. We call the profession of teaching a noble profession. A good teacher helps us to become a good human being in society and good citizen of the country. Matru Devo Bhava, Pitru Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava. The Indian tradition equates teacher to God. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. In Sanskrit, Guru is made up of, the word Guru is made up of 2 root words, Gu and Ru. Gu means darkness and Ru means remover. Thus, Guru word stands for teacher who is the remover of darkness and harbinger of enlightenment. It is my honor to talk about our Narayana School teachers on this wonderful occasion. Our Narayana School teachers are very loving and kind. They always appreciate us. They are very punctual. I won many prizes in education, electrician, dance competitions and essay writings because of my teacher support. The of Narayana Schools and ex-minister of Municipal Administration and Urban Development Department, Sri Ponguru Narayana Garu is my role model. Thank you all teachers for invaluable efforts and guidance. I would like to extend my gratitude to every teacher for selfless service and guidance. Thank you.